Hi, I'm Ruo Chen Sun from University of Notre Dame and also from China. Here today, my TED Talk's topic is these three words: humor, middle class, censorship. You may think these three words are random and unrelative to each other, but I hope my talk today will give you a clearer sense of what's the relationship of these three words through my story. So my research is based on a website in China called Zhihu, or do you know in the classical Chinese, and this word is really really a word that almost everyone in the middle school learning Chinese would know. So, it's a representative of Chinese traditional culture. It could also be understood as a Chinese version of Quora. It's a question and answer website where people can upvote or support an answer or download an answer. Here's a slogan of the Zhihu. It's pretty much the same as a Quora, sharing your knowledge, experience, and opinions with the world. So here's what the website looks like. This is a number of upload. This is the nickname of the people who answer the question, and I can't reach that. The one with the biggest font and blackened is a question, and also you can see the blue font. These are topics. It belongs. So yeah, hopefully you can understand it in Chinese. So you can see there's a lot of answers, and it could be the more upvotes you get, the more the higher you rank, and sorry. So here you can see the. Here you can see also people could commentate on comment. There's some comments on the answers. Also, the comments will get upvotes here. This number represents upvotes or comments. Yeah. So basically, you can discuss some issues, not only just answering it on this website. So this is a mascot of the website. It is abstract but cute, right? Okay, so here's some little history about this website. Before March 2013, it is a very exclusive online community with experts, with people who only invited into this community, and I think the group or the company running this community want Zhihu to be a more idealized, very high quality knowledge community. But then it opens, after its open registration, it expanded rapidly. So up to the July 2015, it has 29 million registered users with sorry, that's my fault. With 6.2 million questions and 90 million answers, roughly about 4 billion words. That's way much more than the Wikipedia or any encyclopedia in the real world. However, after the Zhihu's rapid expansion, the users or the older, especially the older users or the typical users, who are sensitive to the content or the quality of the community, they seem worrying about. They seem to worry about the quality of the website because the rapid expansion and the influx of many normal netizens. So there's a users with expertise in data collecting make actually 2 reports on Zhihu. I will quote one of them. So this is all the data collecting he have done. So I assume you were not interested in this. So I generalize and extract the useful information for me. So we can see the number here. There's 8,904 answers, getting more than 1,000 uploads. For the people, if there's any people here are familiar with Quora, you would probably know that on Quora it's really hard to get 1,000 upload, and the same thing is, it is the same for Zhihu, and actually there is 157 answers getting more than 10,000 upvotes. That's really amazing, and all these numbers are out of this much answers up to December 13th, 2004. Also, I generalized from all the data, all the graph it provides. There's 2 trends. The first trend is the average increase in length is proportion with the increase of upvotes the answers get. So basically, the longer you write, the more upvotes you get. The second trend is the percent of answers that are longer than 1,000 words grows constantly from the launch of Zhihu. So it seems to prove that the Zhihu's quality is not affected by its open registration from these 2 trends. Because here we assume that there's 2 standards for quality of answer. One is the length of the answer. Imagine that you get no grades, you get no GPA benefits from answer you write, and then you write over 1,000 words and 2,000 words. That means you really put much hard work in this, and you are really interested in this topic. Also, the upvotes you get means that your opinion or your knowledge gets support from thousands of users. Though you may argue that, okay, these users, they are not experts, or they are just regular or normal people who may not have the truth in their mind. So, but there's some other worries. There emerges many short answers, and but still get thousands of upvotes. And here's some example of those short answers but get thousand upvotes. So, so the first, no, our society works. You can read this, and the answer is no, and it gets 5,000. And the second, don't go, it gets 3,000, almost 4,000. And the third question, the answer is one word, money, and it get so much votes. The same as the two of the bottom.
I have to stop Yuro Chen or our last two speakers aren't gonna have time. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Right.